Zero grazing wagon machine is used for harvest and feed fresh to housed cattle on a daily basis. Two-in-one drum cutting machine can recycle 200 pieces of oil drum every single hour. Moses 1010 silage harvester is designed to improve silage harvesting efficiency on the field. Walking type onion picker gently picks up onions using a pedal rubber and a floating mechanism. Motor-operated automatic feed mixer machine is capable to mix 5 tons of cattle per hour. Force is applied to a piece of metal sheet to plastically deform the material into a desired shape. Instead of using hands, dandelion flowers can be collected very easily using a motor-operated tool. Giant winter melons can grow up to 40 pounds in weight and more than a foot in length. Eggplants are quickly packed for delivery by pulling out the head of a plastic bag. This perfect machine produces equal-sized tandoori bread every time, which makes the workflow faster. Cone ice cream maker machine is designed user-friendly that runs with simple operation. Mixing liquid with other ingredients by hand is time-consuming. Let motor-operated arms can help you. Professional safety suits are designed to protect beekeepers from bee stings and other aggressive pollinators. Good-looking aluminium skirting for living room, bedroom and kitchen made of high-quality materials. Remote control robotic lawn mower can remove up to 20,000 areas of grass per hour. Thousands of short trees are clipped using this small tool in a short time. A stainless steel pineapple peeler can core, chop and peel a pineapple very easily. Agricultural drainage machine was designed for making canals on land, where standing water is a problem or crops are not growing.